Hey guys, time for some breakfast.
Oh, this way.
Good morning. We are here for breakfast. It starts around at 7:30, and we'll show you what the breakfast is like when it gets here. So our breakfast just got here. As you can see, we have a ton of variety. There's cheeses, which normally in Turkish breakfast are always included. We have some type of eggs. There's always some type of honey, a jam, and we have these interesting Beypazari kurusu, which is supposed to be like a buttery biscuit. We haven't tried them, but we've seen them all over the market, so should be good. Of course, we have our tea, and yeah, we'll try it out and let you know what we think about it.
Looks like we didn't like any of it.
Hey, back. Now it's time for a room tour. Andrea will show you around.
Hi, welcome to our room. We're staying in Beypazari for one night. It's 280 Turkish lira a night, which is less than $40. It's real simple. We have one bed, one bathroom, and I'll show you around. This is our bathroom. It's kind of small, but we have a rain shower head, a really nice mirror. We also have an entrance closet here with a safe in case you need. And it was actually 280 Turkish lira for a double and a single, so we went with the double. It's a really good deal because it includes breakfast too. We even have a mini fridge, a hot water pot, TV, and a really nice view. We're staying on the 3rd floor, and you can see Main Street from here. We also have a nice chair here to sit down. And that's it. That's our room. Right now we're going to go out and see what we can do. We're heading to Migros to get some water for our hike. This is Migros. It's a common Turkish supermarket, and we're just gonna get some water. We can get this big one for 2 of us.
As you can see behind me, there's these huge carrots because Beypazari is known for their carrots. They're very sweet, and they export over 60% of Turkey's carrots from here.
What we're trying to get to is the hill behind me. So we've been taking a lot of little alleys to get up there.
I think we made it to the top. It was tough, but once we found the main road, it wasn't too difficult. What do you think, babe?
That's nice. So it was a good hike, but it's closed. They said it's closed due to construction.
As we mentioned, the main viewpoint was closed, but we found this other one that's just as good, and it has a good view of the rock formation, which is pretty famous here in Beypazari.
We're off the main street in a little alley where there's markets, and people are selling lots of things like carrot juice, dried goods, baked goods, and even silverware. Ve bir kilo kabuk. Tamam. Got my carrots.
We just checked out of the hotel, and now we're on our way to try to find some lunch.
We decided to eat at this place called Tarihi Taş Mektap. Prices look okay, so we'll see how it is. I ordered saç kavurma. It's a meat dish with veggies, and I'm gonna eat it with some bread.
I got the classic meat kebab You can find them everywhere in Turkey, but they're pretty good mostly everywhere.
So what you do is dip it into the meat. I got so much food. Can't even talk. Did you see that one? That one's huge.
What are you thinking of getting?
I think the typical baklava from Beypazari has 80 layers. Bir adet 80.
Bir tane.
Evet, bir tane ve bir tane.
Bir tane. Paket yapıyorum.
These are the baklava that we just bought. It was 11.5 lira for one of each. I'll try the typical Beypazari baklava first. It's really good and really juicy. And it has walnuts inside. I hadn't seen this type of baklava before. It's got walnuts all over. I'll try this one too. Maybe that one tastes better. And this one looks like a little pillow. It's so cute. Also has walnuts. It's good. I think I like this one more. And then this one, then this one.
Okay, I'm gonna try all three and see which one's my favorite.
You took a big bite.
Yeah.
You're gonna take another one?
I think this middle one that has more of those nuts on it is probably the best one.
Here you go. So we decided to eat in the car. Oh my god. Okay. We decided to eat in the car because there wasn't a lot of space for us to eat, so it seemed like the safest choice.
We're on the road again. We have to get back to Ankara early, and we're trying to check out some more things before the sunlight comes down.
Eddie's outside flying his drone, and this old man just showed up, started asking questions. We were originally going to Yaşayan Koy, but then instead we found this.
We just got back to Ankara. It was a little over an hour drive. We had a good time in Beypazari, and for our upcoming videos we want to focus on the finances. So you'll see in the video that we put the prices of everything because we think that it's important when you travel to know how much things cost. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you tune in next time for our upcoming video.